Hello guys, this is me back just recording on my new MacBook Pro, 16 gigabits of RAM, M1 Pro from 2021. You can see I never expected the graphics to be this good. This is not just maximum settings, it's actually more than that. Like, let me switch maximum on, it feels weird. But you turn automatic, it's way better. Look at that. That is massive. Like, you see it's in HDR as well, and there's some pretty good reflections in shadow that aren't static, they're actually real time. You can see the interior. Now there's no anti-aliasing inside, or is there? No, those are actual bumps. Okay, I feel like an idiot. uh, there seems to be anti-aliasing outside, so it's much smoother. Here's my 1967, I think, Cadillac Eldorado. Oh my goodness, it's so wonderful. Look at that. It's a vibe as I'm driving here. See the back seat. I probably should be doing this. So as you can see here, it's a really good experience. As you can see, super realistic shadows and reflections down there, or even over here. Look at that. It looks like a real die-cast model instead of a boxy exterior. You can see there's the sun. Wait, is that the sun or is this the sun? I'm kind of confused. So there's the sun apparently up there, and there's the second sun over there. As you're climbing up, you can see the particles, super realistic. It's just like Drive Zone on mobile. That also requires a ton of power too, if I'm not mistaken. But here, apart from the graphics, and there's pretty much, I didn't test out the physics. Let's do that right now. Okay, they seem to have increased the gravity so the car stays stable. How sneaky of them. And as for the, the vroom vroom noise sound effects, I'm gonna put that up for you to hear. As you can hear, we've entered the tunnel, and you see it sounds different. Like instantly, without taking 5 seconds to know that it's in a tunnel. See that? Oh yeah, the V8 is cranking it. Ah, that's amazing. Look at that. That's a true vibe, guys. Alright, I'm gonna see you in the next video.